I'm from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how my dogs, my Bichon Frises, are going to respond to finding that the yard is completely full of chickens. So let's go ahead and let them out. And they've played nicely with the chickens before, but we've never had quite so many out here at once. So the chickens seem curious, not overly concerned. There's a lot of chickens out here now. I think they appreciate that they can cluster, and that seems to make them a little bit more, I don't know, intimidating to the dogs. Seems like we're gonna pretend the chickens don't exist. We realize we're outmatched here, so they're just gonna kind of go about their business. And let's see, Piglet has decided to play it safe and go into the coop. But the others seem to just be pretty much going about their business, keeping an eye on the dogs, but not overly concerned. Okay, so Lance is going to come over, check out Elsa, the alpha chicken here, is going to take off. You know, everybody seems curious about everybody else, but overall they seem nicely behaved. Jack just found a piece of their food and is going to eat that. He doesn't seem to even care that there's chickens. Again, Lance is curious, but there's a critical mass of them hanging out under here that I think is intimidating to him. So don't try this at home if you have bigger dogs. They might be more willing to take the chickens on. But at least for the small Bichon Frise here, we're just pretty much observing from a distance, remaining cautious, remaining vigilant. No one seems overly concerned about anyone else.